Yo, what's good guys? Welcome to today's episode. Now, you guys just saw me stick a load of mounts and put them on my Yamaha MT-09 behind me. Now, today's episode is purely designed around showing you guys the kind of views and third-person perspective shots that you can get on a motorcycle with a GoPro. Now, I don't only have a GoPro Hero 7, I also have a GoPro Max, which is a 360 camera. Now, 360 cameras are pretty dope. If you're not aware, they record the front and the back. They have a lens on either side of the camera itself, so they literally get a 360 shot. So using mainly that camera, but also the Hero 7 on my chin, I'm going to show you some wicked views that you guys can get if you own one of these cameras. It's going to be pretty wicked. It's going to be some motor fuckery. There's going to be some extreme riding going on. So I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Definitely click that like button right about now. And yeah, let's get on the bike, because I tell you, I'm not even on the bike yet. And I am sweating. It's 40 degrees today, guys. 40 degrees today. Alright, let's go. Alright, time to get the GoPro Max out. And I think the first angle I'm going to try is that one. Alright, now with the GoPro Max, you can have it tilted like this. It doesn't have to be perfectly in line, so to speak. It doesn't have to be even like this necessarily if you want to get here, because it's getting everything. It's 360. So I'm thinking this one's going to be pretty dope. Let's see how this looks. So how does that look? I think that will look pretty good from there, but I'm going to try the back, do another one, and then try the one down here by my right foot where the exhaust is. Alright, let's try down at my foot. Can hope that stays on, I'll tell you that much. Let's pray that that stays on. How did that look? This mount has a lot of wobble, but it looks okay. It's a little bit nerve-wracking knowing that the GoPro might fall off at any time. But let's try the final and last position. That's the crash bar over there. All right, guys. Fucking hell, man, I'm sweating like a fucking hippopotamus, man. Fucking hell. Woo! Fucking. Alright, cool. Alright guys, I'd say that's enough of experimenting with the different angles on the GoPro for today. That's 3 different angles. The one right here on the slide mount, I've got the foot peg and I got the handlebar up here. It's pretty fun, and I'm doing it literally right outside of an army base, so I don't want to hang around too long, and I'm going to get out of here in case I get in trouble. Am I still recording? No, I don't think so. Oh no, I am. Look at my hair. I didn't think I was still recording, but fuck, I feel like I've been swimming. Sweat in my eyes and everything, man. Ugh.